Bugaboo Bee6 compared to the Bugaboo Bee5. They made lots of really great upgrades to the Bee6, including a belly bar, a higher weight limit, and lots of other differences. And in this video, I'm going to be comparing these two strollers. I love the Bugaboo Bee. I love Bugaboo Bee. You try to say that. It's a lot. It's a mouthful. The Bugaboo Bee6. It's actually a stroller that I had for my son. I had the original version 12 years ago, and this Bee6 is the latest iteration, and I think you're gonna find this video really helpful. Now, if I didn't get to something that you're like burning in your heart and in your mind, what you should do is you should book a free virtual consultation with one of our experts at mbeans.com/consultations. You can email me your questions to questions@mbeans.com, leave a comment below, or give us a call at 617-383-8259. Here's the comparison. Okay, so I have the new Bugaboo Bee6 and I'm comparing it to the Bugaboo Bee5. Just so you know, if you want to see the full review of the Bee6, I've done this on the channel. You can click the little eye icon above or click the link below to see the full review of this. But in this particular video, I am comparing the differences. You may be seeing some Bee5s, I don't know when you're watching this YouTube video, but you may be seeing them around in the market or buying it used and want to see if it's worth getting it. And I think that if you can, I would definitely upgrade to the Bee6. The main difference for me is the fact that it has bigger wheels. Bigger wheels equals better performance in a stroller, and I think that's awesome. And if you're comparing this also to a Cruise or a Triv or any of these other sort of compact strollers, this really can sort of hang out with that type of stroller because it's going to be just really, really great to push. So number one, 7-inch wheels, larger wheels on the Bee6. Other differences are that they have 2 peekaboo windows. There are no peekaboo windows on the old Bee. It did have an extendable canopy. I'll show you that. You extend it, and it's just a nice, beautiful canopy. But on the Bee6, when you extend the canopy, it exposes one peekaboo window here, and then there's another peekaboo window on the front. They're mesh peekaboo windows, so that is so you can both look at your baby and see that they're okay, and also the air like circulates through that as well. Other things about it is they upgraded the textiles on it. It's a really nice textile on the Bee6. That's not to say the Bee5 isn't a nice textile, but it's sort of like an upgraded type of a fabric. A major difference is there's now a belly bar. There was no belly bar attachment ever on the Bee, but for the Bee6 they added a belly bar, which is going to be add for comfort and safety for your child. It's one of those easy to swivel belly bars, so you can put the baby in, swivel it back in, and that's really great. Another thing is that they increased the upper weight limit of the Bee6 to 50 pounds so that you can, carry a bigger child. That's really great. They also have an integrated stand. So you can add a Bugaboo stand to the old Bee. You can buy that as an accessory, but they also have a stand integrated. I'll show you how that works, and I'll also show you while I'm here how this thing folds down. So if you're wondering how to fold your Bee, what you do is there are 2 buttons here. You just push these down together and you push it down, and you have this go down to the ground, but a little stand right here will pop out and it just stands on its own. So you don't have to go down to the ground. If you're putting it into your car, etc., you don't have to worry about that. Speaking of putting it into your car, Bugaboo in the end of 2020, God bless 2020. At the end of 2020, Bugaboo made a change to their turtle car seat. Now, the Bugaboo Turtle, when it first came out in America, only worked with the Fox and the Lynx, the Bugaboo Fox and the Bugaboo Lynx, which both videos I will link so you can take a look at those as well. But at the end of the year, they're coming out with the Bugaboo Turtle 1, and that will work on Maxi Cozy adapters. So Bugaboo added car seat adapters included in the box with the Bee6. So that's an added value for it, and you can use it as a travel system right out of the box. Like I said, I do a full review of the Bee6 on the channel. It is available to buy from us from Magic Beans with free shipping, and if you want to see that full review of the Bee6, you can watch it right now on the channel. See you at the review.